Allora, Nauti,
Okay.
aspetta, fa vedere per a me questa roba.
So beautiful. What you call it in Italian?
Cannolo.
Cannolo. How do you know if it's vigorizing?
What was that?
Allora,
Like
Nauti,
cannolo.
this one is
Cavolo,
typical
cannolo.
from Sicily.
Yes.
You take with your hands,
Yes.
you stick in your mouth,
Mm.
Capito?
and you suck it. Exactly. Just like
Dai.
that.
So I need to
As
suck
you
what is
feel.
inside.
Well, you bite. If you want, you bite it. If you suck it, you feel first the ricotta cheese, and then you feel the rest.
Okay, first, you know how we do it, right?
That's the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly the right way to eat it.
Hai capito? È venuto. È venuto.
Venuto.
Just came.
Ci piace.
Yeah.
Ah, fratelli, l'altro per te.
Molto gentile.
Ma devi farmi lo stesso, mi devi fare.
Come.
Hey,
I
yeah.
come see you. Okay.
Hey, I'm not gonna do that.
You
I'm not gonna do the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How is it, Nauti? You like
When I
it?
put the finger?
try it. Let me try it.
If you stick the finger in, the cannolo
Abbonato, però.
il left.
Buono. La ricotta proprio fresca fresca.
For you, Nauti.
La ricottina
Un
siciliana.
applauso a Nauti.
So good.
Mamma mia, senti appiccicoso.
Un attimo di un meglio.
Fuck.